today's video, I'm about to blow your mind. I'm going to share with you how I'm sourcing mega profitable DVDs from home, from eBay.com, and then turning around and flipping them on Amazon FBA. To start off the video, I'm going to reveal with you an exact DVD that I recently purchased on eBay. I'm going to share with you the invoice so you can see that I actually purchased it. And then I'm going to share with you the actual sale, and you'll be able to see how much money and how much profit I made from this DVD. Then I'm going to break down exactly how I'm finding these DVDs so you can literally go out there today and do this for yourself. There are literally thousands of DVDs sitting on eBay right now, used DVDs, new DVDs that you can purchase and flip for 40, 50, 60, 70, 80% ROI. So without further ado, let's dive into my computer and I want to share with you how I am doing this. Oh, and in case you were curious, these are my results with this method over the last 2 years. I've sold a little under 18,000 products for $1.3 million. Now, that's not all profit. I've made approximately $400,000 profit over the last 2 years because there are expenses such as buying the items on eBay, and then there's selling fees on Amazon. Of course, there's returns, paying my prep center. I have virtual assistants that help me out in this business as well. But just want to share with you what my results were before we get into this video. All right, so here is the DVD that I recently purchased from eBay for $31. And you can see right here that I've sold it for $75.99. At the time of this recording, it's January 7th, so this just sold a couple days ago, so it's still in pending status. Sometimes it takes a couple of days to push through, but you can see over here in my custom SKU that I paid $31. I shipped it to Little Owl Prep, which is my prep center, and I sold it for $75.99. This DVD was brand new. Foils wore the home front files set 1 through 6. So let me actually share with you proof that I purchased this on eBay. All right, so we're here in my eBay account, and you can see that I purchased this item on December 3rd at 9:09 p.m. Paid $25 plus $6 shipping, so I paid $31 in total. So now you know that I purchased this item on eBay. Hey guys, also I want to share with you my E2A Mastersheet. This is how I organize and run my whole business. So I've developed a software that integrates with eBay, and every single time I purchase an item, all the data gets pulled into the software. Now, I do have to add in the ASIN and put in list price, but I just wanted to share with you that I'm actually doing this every single day. So you can see right here, this goes all the way back to August 12th, and you can see that I spent $946 on all of these items. I purchased 18 items, and you can see right over here the average ROI for each item and the average profit. This custom software that I developed actually pulls in the tracking number, pulls in if the item was delivered. And what's really cool as well is you can actually open up what's known as the E2A Mastersheet console. And all you have to do is you can scan in the barcode of an item. So say you get an eBay package delivered to your house. What you can actually do is you can scan the barcode into the sheet just like this. And what's really cool is it'll search the whole entire spreadsheet because it automatically pulls in the information, and you'll be able to see the exact item. So here's an item that I purchased back in mid-August of 2024. I paid $25.37 and we listed it at $54.85. It pulls up the picture. I can view the order detail. I can message the seller. I could reverse search it on eBay. And what's cool is when I scan it in, it automatically copies the information so I could then list it on Amazon super duper quick. So just want to share this with you. But if you take a look here, I'm literally purchasing items every single day. And I'm going to just scroll through really, really quickly. But if I scroll through and I just stop right here, look at this, September 30th. You can see that I spent $1,757 on eBay, purchased 25 items. All the tracking numbers are automatically pulled in so I could scan and list them super quick. My average ROI was 53% and $905 was my estimated profit. So I'm literally doing this every single day, and I could scroll all the way down all these items that I purchased. Hope I scrolled too far. And like, for example, right here, you can see on January 6th of 2025, I spent $1,000, bought 19 items. estimated profit is going to come to $668, 71% profit. So this is all from buying items on eBay and flipping them on Amazon. So there's literally hundreds of thousands of deals. So with that being said, let's actually go into my computer and I want to share with you the software that I developed and that I use and my team uses every single day to purchase all of these DVDs, to purchase books, to purchase electronics, tools, board games, video games, home and garden. We purchase all different types of categories, used items, new items. So let's get into my computer and I want to share with you Replen Catcher. Oh yeah, and before we get into sourcing with Replen Catcher, I almost forgot to break down the deal that I was sharing with you. So we paid $31 on eBay. I already shared with you the invoice, sold it for $75.99. So I purchased it, I think, what was it, December 4th, December 3rd, and then sold it in about a month. So I turned 31 into $75.99 after all fees, expenses, paying my VAs, everything. I ended up making $24 profit for a 77% ROI. So not bad doing this 100% from home, not bad, never having to see the item. Now, if you're a newer seller, I would recommend not using a prep center. You can just have the item shipped to yourself, open it up, clean it up, test it if you have to. If it's a used DVD, if it's new, you don't have to do that. And then just put all your items in a box and ship it out to FBA. But yeah, 77% ROI, $24 profit. All right, now let's get into doing some sourcing. All right, so we're here on my computer screen. Welcome to Replen Catcher. You can actually check out a free trial for 14 days, 100% for free. So feel free to go use it and make a bunch of money. But essentially, this is a software that I developed over 2 years ago, and this is how we source all of the items that we flip from eBay to Amazon, okay? And the reason I developed this software is because when I first started, there were no softwares that I was using. And what I would have to do is go manually look up items on eBay and compare the price to eBay to Amazon and try to, find deals like that. It's called manual sourcing. And you could still do that till this day without any software. But I'll tell you right now, it's extremely time consuming and it just takes forever, right? Having to set up a spreadsheet, checking every single UPC one by one. So what I've developed is an automated software that essentially will check. We have over 1 million products in Replen Catcher, check the price of eBay, compare it to Amazon. And if it's a profitable deal, we'll share with you that deal. Now, Replen Catcher does a ton of other things. There's also a replens area where you can actually bulk upload a custom list of maybe your best leads or replens, and we'll track those for you 24/7. But what I want to share with you is the live stream, because this is the easiest way to be able to start sourcing mega profitable deals, just like the DVD that I shared with you today. So let me go into the live stream and I'll share with you how you can find tons of deals like that. All right, so we're inside of the live stream of Replen Catcher, and this software is super duper easy to use. So essentially all you have to do is choose a category that you want to source. So I'm going to choose movies and TV. Now, Replen Catcher is tracking over 265,000 DVDs. These are DVDs that we're literally comparing the price on eBay to Amazon all day long, and we'll share them with you if we find a profitable deal. So choose the category that you want to source, leave type at automatic. Then you could choose the condition of the DVD that you want to source. So maybe you want to source new DVDs, maybe you want to source used. So I'm going to select both. If you wanted to only see listings on eBay that have more than one quantity, like 3, you can do that, but I'm going to just leave that blank. I'm going to put in my profit at $4 and my ROI at 20%. Now, normally I want to flip DVDs that make $7, $8, $9, $10 profit. I want to flip DVDs that make 40, 50, 60, 70% ROI. But one thing to keep in mind, and this is a big mistake that a lot of people use who use Replen Catcher, and I have to remind people over and over again, when you're sourcing on eBay, there's best offers. Over 50% of the deals that I'm sourcing, and I showed you my E2A Mastersheet, I showed you all the money I'm spending and the items I'm selling, over half the deals are from best offers. So I always put my profit and my ROI lower than what I would like, because again, just like the DVD that I shared with you and a ton of other DVDs, a lot of times it could be listed for $30 or $40, and I might make a best offer $10 less, $8 less, $7 less. So you could turn an item that's a $5 profit and a 20% ROI into a $10 profit and an 80% ROI just by making a best offer. Now you can put in the eBay price. So maybe you only want to source DVDs that are priced between maybe $5 and $50. You can do that. I'm going to just leave this blank for this example. Maybe you want to source DVDs that are only selling for $30 or more on Amazon. You could put that in. Then you can choose the rank of the DVD. So let's just say that you only want to flip DVDs that are less than 125,000 rank, which is what I recommend, although you can go up to 200, 300,000 rank. But I would say my sweet spot is between 30 to 80,000 rank. Now, let's just say you only want to sell DVDs that have at least a history of selling at least once over the last month. You could put that in. Now, let's just say you want to source from eBay sellers who are reputable. So let's just say we only want to source from eBay sellers that have at least 10 feedback and a 95% positive feedback. You could put that in. And then if you want to include or exclude any keywords, if you want to only see offers that have best offer enabled, you can click that. I'm going to leave that blank for this example. And then all you have to do is hit search. And now essentially what Replen Catcher is going to do is it's going to search the 265,000 DVDs that we are monitoring in the software, and it's going to bring you back all the results that meet this criteria. Now, keep in mind, this is only movies and TV, DVDs. We could do this for electronics. We could do this for music. We could do this for books. We're tracking over 611,000 books. Imagine how many books you could source from eBay to Amazon using Replen Catcher. The same with toys. Matter of fact, we have home, lawn and garden, and home improvement. Another 300,000 products coming out on the software, probably by the time you watch this video. And if you scroll down, look at this, 6,402 results. Now, let me repeat myself, 6,402 results. Just imagine how many deals you can find on eBay to flip on Amazon using the Replen Catcher. This literally saved me so much time, it's not even funny. So check this out. I'm going to break down how you can use this software. So you'll actually be able to see the date that this item was listed, the title. You can see the condition, the quantity available, if it's a buy it now, if there's a best offer option, which you can see there is on this listing. You can see the condition that it's listed on eBay. You can see the eBay picture and the total price. And you can see over here the Amazon picture, the price that you can sell it for. And this right here, you have to go in and analyze the prices because we give you last captured value, 30-day buy box, 90-day, 180-day. So for example, like on this one right here, it's saying that you can sell it for $58.95. But you can see the prices are all over the place. The lowest offer right now is 115. The last captured value was 58. And you can see the 30-day buy box is at 58. The 90 days at $38.20. So you'd want to go into this, pull up Keepa, and obviously analyze the deal to get a better idea of how much you can sell it for. But if you take a look down here at this listing, you can see that this item is for sale on eBay for $45.37. And you can see right now, look at this, the current buy box price used is $125. The 30-day buy box is $21. The 90-day is $115. So this item's definitely selling for over $115. Of course, you'd want to analyze it. But if we were to buy this for $45, sell it for $125, that's 117% ROI. $52 profit. And that's just one example right here. I mean, just check out all the deals that are popping up. Here's a brand new DVD. Buy it for $15, sell it for $32. That's a 43% ROI, $6.76 profit. It sold 8 times in the last month. And guess what? There's a best offer option. So I could go in here and make an offer for even $11 or $12 and probably take it from a 43% ROI up to a 60 to 65% ROI. So you can actually click into this right here and it'll go right into the eBay listing. You can click into the Amazon picture right here and it'll go into the Amazon listing as well. And then you could have Seller Amp pull up. You can scroll down, check out the Keepa chart to see how much it's actually selling for, analyze the deal. But literally there are hundreds of thousands of deals, 79 to 148, 19 to 45, 18.99 to 37. This here looks like it could be a mismatch, so I would ignore that. 28 to 50, 15 to 39, 20 to 35. Again, that's a 22% ROI. So that's one that I would skip. But if it had a best offer, I would send a best offer. But guess what? Even if there's not a best offer option, one of the ways that I source a lot of deals that don't have a best offer option is I go over to eBay, I send a message to the seller and I say, hey, I notice you've got this item listed for $20.81. Would you take an offer at $15? If so, send me an offer. And they could actually send you an offer even if they don't have a best offer option. So literally, you could turn these deals into money just like that. Here's another DVD right here. Pay $14.99, sell it for $34.07. And hey, maybe after you research it, because you take a look at the 90-day buy box at 31, 33, maybe you only sell for 32 or 33 bucks, but guess what? Make a best offer if it's available, or send them a message. There are literally hundreds of thousands of deals. This would take me a whole entire day if I wanted to go through every single one of these items. 52 to 86, 40 to 158, 55 to 119. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. So let me know if you guys want me to do a video in the future where I can go through and I could analyze deals, do live sourcing with you. But I just want to share with you how easy this is. Literally, all you have to do is log in to Replen Catcher, go to the live stream. And if you look at the name Replen Catcher, you think to yourself, do I need a replens list? Do I need a list of items that I have to bulk upload to be able to track? No, you don't. We literally are giving you over 1 million products right now that you can literally go in and source. And what's even more powerful, check this out. Say, for example, this item right here, you want to be able to track this on your replens list. What you can do is you can click add replen and hit yes. And if you give the software a second, it's going to pop up and say that this item has been added to your replens list. So we have another area that's called Replen Catcher. So I'm going to click that. Now, these are items that I've added to my Replen Catcher area. And one thing that you can do, and I'm not going to share it in this video, but what you can do is you can actually add items from the live stream into your Replen Catcher area, or you can take a list of all the items that you've sold on Amazon. So maybe you've sold, 500 DVDs in the last 3 years for over 40 bucks. You could download a list of all of those into a CSV file, and then you could upload them into the Replen Catcher. And essentially what Replen Catcher will do is it'll monitor those specific ASINs, because remember, those ASINs might not be in the live stream area. There's hundreds of millions of products for sale on Amazon. It's impossible for Replen Catcher or any software to monitor all of them. So you can take those specific items, add them to the Replen Catcher area. And what's really cool about the Replen Catcher area is it'll group all of your ASINs together so you can see all of the offers. So for example, this Superman right here, I can see that there's 3 offers available. So I can click view offers. And essentially what it does is it compiles all of the offers available for these specific replens that I'm tracking. And I can see there's nothing crazy right now, 22% ROI, 28% ROI, 35% ROI, but I could go in and when I sell my items, I could replenish my inventory because Replen Catcher puts them all together. So you can track and monitor your own specific ASINs, or you can use the live stream. I'm telling you guys right now, if you're looking to source more deals, if you're only sourcing from thrift stores, if you're only sourcing from library sales or Facebook Marketplace, start using Replen Catcher. It's an absolute game changer, and you get started for about $1 per day. Oh, and another cool thing I forgot to mention about Replen Catcher is you can actually save your filters. So say this is a filter that you really enjoy. What you can actually do is click Save New Filter right here, and you can name it the best DVD filter, right? And you could save it, and you could even make it your default filter. So every single time you log into the Replen Catcher, you can actually just have this pop up. And another thing that you can do as well, I'm going to show you one of my secrets, is you can actually stack multiple filters into one and create an advanced filter. Now, this is a bit of an advanced tutorial right here, but if you take a look under load saved filters, I have a filter that has multiple filters stacked in one. So I have a specific filter for toys, a specific filter for DVDs, CDs, and then I have even more filters that are specific only to DVDs and best offers and only toys and best offers. And I stack them all into one filter. So what I can actually do is click this right here. And what it's going to do is it's going to stack 5 or 6 filters into one filter, because I have specific rules for sourcing books and toys and electronics and music and DVDs. But I don't want to, like if I use other softwares, you can't stack all the filters into one, which makes sourcing really hard. So now I have one filter stacked into one right here. And look, I have 6,652 results. So you're going to see DVDs popping up. You're going to see games. You're going to see board games, Lego sets. I mean, I'm telling you guys right now, check out Replen Catcher. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more videos sharing and teaching how to source items from eBay to Amazon, just type in the comments down below, Replen, and I'll make more videos. But with that being said, much love. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.